Fruits are also mostly cool or cold to neutral, just like vegetables, right? We had cool to neutral. Fruits can be even colder, I guess. Yeah. Just keep in mind they're both on the cold side and they can range up to neutral. However, tropical fruits are the exception, right? They come from hot tropical climates, so they tend to be warmer. These are like pineapples, tangerines, mangoes can go in that too. Bananas are good at lubricating the intestines. But caution with cantaloupe and honeydew. Like if I go out for breakfast, and they have the little side of fruit, it's almost always cantaloupe and honeydew, and I never eat it because of this following reason. They need to be eaten by themselves on an empty stomach. You don't want to eat them with other foods. The reason because when they combine with other foods, they become very difficult to digest and they become like moldy in your stomach.
Well, they like ferment.
They ferment in your stomach in a bad way.
They say that in the Ayurvedic stuff as well.
Oh, cool. Good to know. Yeah. See, Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, same history, right? They have the same root. So there's a lot of overlap. That's really cool. Good to know. Pomegranates are good for the prostate in us men. That's easy. P for pomegranate, P for prostate. That's great because it lowers your PSA levels. It also benefits the skin, nourishes the blood, right? Because it's red in nature. Okay. You can look.
Because of the antioxidant lycopene.
That's the Western way of looking at it, but yeah, exactly. The antioxidants of the lycopene really good for the skin. Is that what you're referring to?
For prostate health.
For the prostate health. This is more Western as well. I'm not sure why, but there's something about it. It lowers the PSA levels, which are prostate-specific antigen, which the modern way of testing for prostate issues is they monitor your PSA levels, and if it doubles in the amount, if they're found in the blood really rapidly, then it indicates some sort of cancer. Yeah.
It's only for cooked tomato. Cooked tomato.
What about cooked tomatoes?
Lowers your PSA.
Oh, cooked tomatoes
So
do
that's
as well.
higher lycopene in it.
Ah, cool. Nice. Pears are really good at moistening the lungs, generating body fluid, and reducing thirst. I love pears. They're so good. If you cut it right in half, it sort of looks like two lobes of a lung.
That's true.
Yeah, so it's good for the lungs.
It's white too.
And it's white, goes to the lungs. Exactly. Good. Something that's done is you can take out the seeds in the center of it, cut it in half, take out the seeds in the center, and then steam it, put it in a steamer, put a little bit of honey in the middle. They also use another herb too called chuanbeimu, which is for phlegm in the lungs when you have too much phlegm stuck in the lungs that you need to get out. It's like dry, hard phlegm that's really difficult to get out. But even if you just did the honey in it and steam it, steaming it won't get the temperature of the honey up too high that it'll become toxic. And it'll sort of go through. It's super good for your lungs, really good at moistening.
Do you eat it or you just
Eat it.
sit?
Yeah. No, sorry, eat it.
You don't hang over the basket.
No, not hanging over. Put a towel over your head as that thing's
Right.
steaming. If you want it to directly moisten your nose, maybe.
Okay.
Cherries are another good one. Cherries also nourish the blood and are good for the skin. But cherries lower uric acid level, which is the number one thing that causes gout. Gout is where you have the pain at the base of the first toe of the big toe. Right? Yeah. This is really good at preventing that. Love cherries. They're great.
If a person already has gout, does that help them?
Yes, because it'll lower the amount of uric acid in their blood, which means that the gouty crystals made out of uric acid that are causing the pain will start coming out of their solid form to become more dissolved in the blood again. Yeah. But better to prevent it, of course. Right? An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.